Right on the hourly pivot point. Rejecting right off it again. We're in the orb though. All right, dude. Let me go because I'm on the stream. I'll hit you up later. What's up, Marco? What the fuck? Is this video right now? I'm so confused. My title says overnight. Is that what it says right now? Oh, awesome. I'm not trading the overnight. Maybe I should change that. Stupid. Hey, Nao. What's going on? Let me take these earbuds off. I'm not even using my phone. What's going on, everyone? Jesse Cruz, what's going on? Doing okay. I'm kind of annoyed with myself with Apex, but I'm actually honestly none of it matters because you know what I did today? I requested another payout, baby. Woo! 4,000 this month. 6 months of nothing. 6 months of failure, utter failure, feeling like a loser. You know, just nuking account after account after account like a fucking idiot. But here I am, taking my second ever payout request. There it is. And I'm not violating any of their new rules. So I don't trade the opening. I don't trade the opener. I don't bracket trade. I don't do any of that shit. So can't wait to get this. Thanks, guys. Thanks, guys. Hell yeah, Marco. Marco's been around since pretty much the beginning. Oh man. So anyway, hell yeah. And like yeah, 65 is still active. That was crazy. Yeah. You know, I made a video of me logging in. Yeah, Nuke Heads Unite. One stop trader. What's up, man? I nuked another funded account today. I'm a fucking idiot. But not the one that matters. The one I actually had up like $1,200 on day 4 or 5. I'm so fucking pissed. I'm over it. I'm mad. And the other thing that's pissing me off is I passed the 25K yesterday with relative ease, but I can't fucking upgrade. So I'm in my account right now, and you know they're having this stupid issue with fucking trader bait still. It's so annoying. So I couldn't even trade this funded account if I wanted to. So I'm in my brand new. I was gonna get a 150K take profit trader, but you know what? I just got another 50K. Fuck it. I'm gonna try again with a 50K, and if for whatever reason I nuke that account, then I'll get the bigger size account with the bigger daily loss limit. But I think I could make it happen. So I got it up $800. I actually could have got it up. I could have been done for the day, but right here, I got 2 whole points on this move with 3. I actually had an order in to fill me with 2 more here, and then it dumped. But even if it didn't, I didn't get filled here, or I let this order fill me after getting stopped out here for a gain. This would have been enough to get me done for the day because you can't have, you know, you can't make more than 50% of your overall profit. Or in my case, like I don't want to make more than 50% of the $3,000 profit goal. So 1,500 is my cap. I would have hit it. So now I feel like I got to still trade. I'm up $261 in my TopStep account. I had that Apex 250. I nuked my Apex 250 account. I fucked that up because I was actually up. I was actually up as much as 4,000 today in that account. Oh, this is another one I fucked up today. Too much was going on. Like I was trying to do too many things, and then I was trading, and I fucked up. This I had $152 in trailing max drawdown that I know I could have worked. I could have worked that, and I was trading micros, and I hate trading micros. And the reason why is because I got stopped out for like an $8 gain, you know, because I was in one micro. But if I was in a mini, that would have been like $80, and then I missed a monster move, but I would have been fine with $80. But I'm just too close. I was just too close. So now I lost number 66. So that's blown. That's blown. That's nuked funded account number 65. But I still have this. This is the one that I just requested the payout on. I'm waiting. I'm waiting to pay. I want to pay. I'm waiting to pay for this, but I can't because they're still having their trade evade issues. Some people were able to order though. Some people were telling me last night during the overnight, like, yeah, I just grabbed some with trade evade. I had no issue. But every time I try to grab some, I have the same issue. So, and I checked on like my phone, I checked on multiple laptops, and I still can't fucking do it. So I wanted to get more. I want to get more evals. It's fucking annoying. Yeah, Andy. Thanks, man. Thank you, Andy. Yeah, and once again, I took the max payout. I'm not. I don't know why anybody wouldn't take the max payout. They're only letting you take $2,000. Take it all. You just don't know. You just don't know when the next one's going to happen. Like obviously I'm getting better as a trader, and I would like to think I'm getting more consistent, but you just don't know. So take it all. So what are we doing here? This is where we've been hanging out. What's interesting is we dumped, right? We blew through this pivot point. This is the hourly pivot point on the Qs, and we can't get back over it. We literally just rejected off it. We're also in what I like about the hourly pivot point is it's also the top orb on the Qs. Here's the bottom orb that we keep. We're basically bouncing around between the top and bottom orb right now. But here's the bottom orb. So if I get rid of this pivot, see now the pivot point's gone because I changed the time interval. I'm on the 15-minute now. This is where the hourly pivot point is, right on this top orb. So it's a great area of resistance and support right now. It's been serving as resistance. I just don't, I'm just waiting. I want to get another $700 in this account or $680 in this account and be done. I just don't know if we're going to go up right now. Look, I mean, here's the NQ. We literally just bounced off the bottom orb. So there's a lot going on. We're in key areas on both charts. So, and it's power hour. LLY, what is that? Lily? I've heard of that. I've traded options on that thing and got fucking torched. Yeah. Well, I mean, is it a stock? Appreciate it, futures trader. Is it like, did you just buy shares, Andy, or is it options? If it's just a stock, I mean, whatever, you just hold until you get until your thesis plays out. If it's options, I mean, I don't know when your expiration is, but you know how that goes. Oh, you did options. When do they expire? Not much time. Not much time. Yeah, I know this. Yeah, I remember this company. I've traded options. I used to use All right, let me get out of the yacht. Let me get into this. All right, so I'm on the daily right now. Let me just adjust this. All right, now I'm going to zoom in. Look at all these pivot points. I mean, you're not in a bad place on the daily. Like, you come down to this pivot point, you could bounce up and run up, Well, here's the top of the channel also. It's only down 1%, but 1.5%. It's not in a bad spot. Weekly, I mean, it looks good on the weekly. It bounced off the 34. Actually, that's not the 34. What is that? That's something else. Oh, yeah. Here's the 8 right here on the weekly. I mean, it might have just went down because everything kind of dumped before. But you look, I mean, here's a pivot point on the weekly, dude. I mean, what's your target? Around 800? 800, 820? What's up, the computer guy, Andy? Yeah, I was up $4,000 in that 250K eval. Yes, sir. Yeah, keep me posted, man. Keep me posted. I mean, here's the pivot point on the weekly, right? It's like 827. Here's the pivot point on the daily. It's 811. I would look to. I don't know how many contracts you have. Maybe look to trim it like 811, 810. I would start trimming there. But what do I know? I don't trade options anymore. At least not for the foreseeable future. I'm just waiting. Top orb here. Where are we on? Top orb in both. Are we rejecting here? I'll fucking take a shot to the downside. See what happens. I could be wrong. That's why I'm only in 2. I was right for a split second. Yeah, I don't really. What's up, Chris Velarde? I don't do any of that stuff that they're worried about. That they basically targeted one guy. We all know who it is, Alpine. They targeted him. You know, after bragging about Apex brags about we just had a record month. We're having a we're having an 80% off sale, 80% off one day to pass all month, record payouts. Woohoo! That's Apex, right? And then now they change, and Alpine's one of those guys that's getting crazy payouts, and they're penalizing him for being a good trader. That's his strategy is his strategy, whatever. That's not the only thing he does, but they went right after him, and a bunch of people follow him, so a bunch of people probably started doing the same thing. If some of them weren't already. Oh, there we go. Oh, come on. Take me out. Take me out. Boom. That was cool. Another 300 smackers. Woo! Of course, the lifetime 85. Of course, it's being extended. Nail. They always do this. This 90% off is going to be extended to the end of May too. You can't even get a TradeAvate account. He didn't specifically say. I don't know if he ever really. He said he just changed. He trades the opening range breakout. That's not some. That's not a secret. Like everybody does that. Not everybody, but a ton of people trade the opening range breakout. Like I follow a guy. His name is Trading Wars. He's really good at like options. He's big into the Fibonacci. He's always like. This is how his videos are. He goes, "You see, guys. You see, guys." Basically, like saying like it's easy, guys. You see. He doesn't ever say it's easy, but he's always like, "You see this right here, right off the 618." That's his voice. But he's big. He plays the opening range breakout too with options. So it's like it's not this big secret. I guess the way he was doing it, I don't know if he got into how he was doing it or really broke it down. I don't think he ever really did. He just said he trades the open, and it works for him. There's nothing wrong with that. I don't know. Yeah, I don't care if I blow up my accounts either. Obviously, as you can see, I get upset when I blow up funded accounts. Yeah, yeah. I mean, you don't think people are going to try to reverse engineer what he was doing and then do it themselves? The guy's super successful. He's still a good trader though. He scalps. He's a scalper. Yeah, and Alpine's business is getting paid by these prop firms. Yup. Yeah, with its Bruce Lean. What up, Bruce Lean? Yeah, man. Yeah, that's definitely a nice. Like Patrick Weiland said, most of these guys. I mean, there are definitely anomalies who make more money from the actual prop trading than the commissions they get by telling people about what they're doing. Like obviously, like look, guys, let's call it what it is. Like obviously, the side benefit to me building this channel is the commissions. I didn't just start the channel so I could hold myself accountable. Like not let's call it what it is. But hopefully, I'm providing value to you guys. And if you want to use my coupon code, you use my coupon code. If you don't, I don't care. It's cool. I'm cool no matter. We're cool no matter what. You know. And like the science commissions are like this huge amount, but it does add up. Yeah, I don't like holding for 3 seconds. My wife doesn't either. Hey-o! She's in the. I love saying stupid shit like that when she's in the room. There she is. She don't like 3 seconds either. Be right back. I'm ready for another cup.
Me too. Me first.
Oh, that was. Oh my god! can't believe you did that.
Ladies first.
Wow.
I didn't realize that.
I know you didn't do that on purpose. I had my second cup of coffee ready to go. The pod was full with grinds. I was literally just about to make it.
How dare you?
And then she's like, "All right, I'm gonna make myself some coffee." And she dumped out. She thought it was still my the old grinds. She dumped out my fresh grinds and is making herself coffee now.
Don't slander
Unbelievable, unbelievable. No way, Sonny Aho. No way. When? I will today. I promise.
Yeah, I got it.
No, don't worry about it. I'll do
I
it.
pick it up every day. I just didn't have time before I left.
Anyway. Hey, Gabor the Hun, what's up? What is up? What's up, everyone? No way. No way. No. Those are Chris. It's $18. It's $18 a month, no matter what. Yeah, I'm. Let me see if I could. Jesus Christ, that's so annoying. So I'm gonna pretend like I'm buying a Rhythmic account. So here's the 250K. I'm gonna put my coupon code in. Oh, I can't put my coupon code in. Hold on, let me log out of this account and log into my my other account that I don't even trade in. Hold on a second. So I'm going to show you. It tells you on the order page like what it's going to be the next month. I'm pretty sure it stays at 18. You know, the $18 a month. All right, so let's pretend I'm going to get. Let's pretend I'm going to get a. Can I get a Trade-of-8? Fucking Trade-of-8, man. That shit is so annoying. I want more evals. You guys might be able to. Some guys last night, when I was streaming last night, some guys were able to get Trade-of-8 accounts, but I fucking couldn't. I still can't. I can't even upgrade. I can't even pay the performance activation fee on the account that I pushed over yesterday, my 25K. All right, so I'm going to pretend to get a Rhythmic now. Chris Velarde. And I'm putting in my coupon code, PWPCGSEH. That gets you the best deals on all of the internet. Better than everybody else's. All right, so I'm putting that in. So I'll show you where it tells you. Hold on. Gotta check all these boxes. It's like, yeah, like not heap, one kind of heaping and one regular, babe. It's got to be 6,434 pieces of grind. All right, so check this out. You see right here? Oh, it doesn't say. Okay, here it is. Oh, no, it's not. It's 33. So, all right, so here it is. Subscription terms. Oh, it is $16.70. I thought it was $18. $16.70? That's fucking dirt cheap. It's a suck. I got sucked in. Like, how could you not? It's the same price as a 25K. That's crazy, bro. It's the best DGen code. I'm still waiting for my custom code. Anyway, subscription terms. $16.70 for the first month and $33.40 for each month after. So it basically goes to 80%, all of these things. It goes back to 80% on the next month, which is, dude, I mean, you know what? A 250K, it might take you a month to get it over if you're being conservative and not being a degenerate. You know what I mean? No, futures trader. I already been through this. This is an account. Me and my business partner. We got this in October. We started trading with it, and I'm like, I want to see how I could do on my own because we were doing it together. I just want to see if I could do how I could do with prop firm trading by myself. So I hit them up on support. I was like, hey, I have an account with my business partner. It's a business, for my business. I want to start trading on my own. I want to see how I could do. Can I have a personal account? They said, sure, go right ahead. Just make sure they stay separate. This was back in October. So they let me. And then literally, like, I have a video. This whole thing happened. Obviously, I did the verification, the automated verification to get verify my ID for this account. And then I got prompted to do it, 200 evals deep or 150 evals deep and like 30 fucking blown funded accounts deep. I got prompted to do it in my personal account and I got fucking locked out. And then I had to hit up support. They're like, oh, you can't have two accounts. You can't have two accounts. That's why. Blah, 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 blah. I'm like, here's the fucking support ticket that tells me I could. And that's the only reason why I have them. It's funny that you're telling me this now after I'm fucking 200 evals deep and 30 blown accounts. You know what I mean? Like, but here it is. Here's the receipt. And then they gave me, then they let me. They said you just have to make one for business and one personal. But I don't even use this one. I don't even have any. Thanks, babe. Thank you very much. She made it right. She made me my cup.
Is it good?
I don't know. Oh,
It doesn't fill up all the way, so I don't know if
perfect. Perfect. So yeah, so that's what happened. So I'm good on that front. Like I have no active accounts and I have no active subscriptions in this account anyway. We're not even trading. Because he has his own stuff, I have my stuff. We just wanted to see if we could do it together, and we failed miserably together. But we're both better traders now. Obviously, I got 2 payouts. Woo! I still have to get approved for the payout, but yeah, the next month it goes back to 80% off. So let me go back into my account. Like you guys have seen my email address. Go ahead and blow up my email account. I don't care. I already have. You want to see how many unopened emails I have? 403,391 unopened emails in my Gmail account. Plus all of these. That's just my inbox. Another 10,000. Oh shit! Look at this. 10. I mean, I got like 450,000 unopened emails. Maybe 500,000. Anyway, let me get out of that because that's not important. We're missing out on action. Damn it! I missed it. Oh man. Yeah, the super trend days are not my friend because I'm working on becoming a better trend trader. I like to play reversals and bounces. Personally, I like to play the bottom orb bounce. I like to play the top orb rejection. I like to play the VWAP rejection. You know what I mean? I like to do all that stuff. I like to play the upper VWAP band. Look at this upper VWAP band rejection, like fucking dumped. How many points? 80 points in that one candle, a 15-minute candle. It was really like 3 minutes. Here it is on the cues. Upper VWAP band. Like not obviously that doesn't always happen like that, but you normally can have some resistance here, and maybe it goes back down to VWAP. But this time it just blew right through everything. Now I guess we're consolidating, trying to figure out which way he wants to go. What's up, Peter? A yard sale for my emails. You know, I have so many emails I have to pay Google for fucking storage. I pay them like $4 a month to hold all that worthless data. I figured they would. Can you get a? Have you guys been able to get a TradeEvade account? Here, why don't we do this? Here's what we're gonna do. Here's my Apex link. I'm so shameless with the plugs. Here's my Apex link, right? Here's my coupon code. See if you could get a TradeEvade account right now. Oh, if you use Rhythmic, more power to you. Yeah, I mean, I can't use Rhythmic, unfortunately. And I refuse to use a non-Mac machine. I just don't like the way they feel after all these years of using Macs. Why can't Rhythmic just make a MacBook Pro? God bless you. Why can't Why can't Rhythmic just make a MacBook Pro application? It's not that hard. Oh shit. Hmm. Just looking here. Let's see here. And we're just chopping right now. We basically been. I mean, yeah. Is this what kind of? I mean, we're just in this range, 84 to. We're in like this 18-point range since basically an hour ago. I really want to just get. I really just want to up. I really want to get this funded account here. I'm not really worried about the time. Oh shit! Trade Evade's back, baby. Let's get some evals. Oh, oh man, do I get another 250? I feel like I have to redeem myself with the 250. I don't see why the futures trader. I put stops in my trades. I put stops in my trades. I don't know if I do it exactly the way they lay it out, but I put stops in most of my trades, and I don't bracket trade, and I don't trade the open. I'm not even awake for the open, so I don't. I'm pretty sure I'll be just fine. Full port of 250K. That's 27. That's $540 a point. The 250 is the best deal, but the 250 is not the best. Is not the best account. You know what I mean, Peter? I mean, you're a better trader than I am, but you know what I'm saying though. Like, you have to get 15,000 to pass, and then your drawdown's only 6,500. So in terms of, you know, doing some mathing over here, It's 43. Your drawdown is 43% of the profit target just to pass. And then, I mean, I think all of Apex funded accounts is 98%. But yeah, you have to get to 6,600 to qualify to request a payout. You know, that's basically, you know, I could have four 1,500 account, 425K accounts and get the same amount of money and get it all without having to, you know, and go up less and have a one-to-one, you know, I don't know. Yeah, it's the only thing I do. Here's what I do like about the 250K. So I like it and I don't like it. So with the 250K, let's go. Let me open up that. There's a page here, withdrawals. I'll show you. And this is why I do like it. It's just tough, man. That's a lot of money to have to go up. That's a lot of trading. That's a lot of trades. All right, so here we go. Here's the buffer. You have to get to 256,600. So 6,600, right? And this is why I like the 150 the best. You have to get up to 5,100. You have to go less, and it's almost the same. The drawdown's 5,000. You know, but here's what I like. I like and I don't like it. You have to go. So all right. So with like a 50K, you have to go up 2,600, and you can pull out 2,000. With a 25K, you have to go up 1,600. I think. Where is it? 1,600, and you can pull out 1,500. But if you go to 1,600 and you pull out 1,500, you only have $100 remaining in your drawdown after you get approved, which isn't always the greatest thing. So you have some room here, but here it's like a blessing and a curse at the same time. You have to go up $6,600 just to qualify for a payout, and they're only letting you take 3,000 max for the first 6 payments, which sucks. You do all that and you get less than half of it. But the caveat to that is after let's say you get to 6,600, or you're at 6,700, you get approved, your drawdown, you still have $3,000. You still have what? $3,500 worth of drawdown. So I see that as a big benefit. You know what I mean? However, it's a lot of money to get up. You still have to pass it. I'll do it though. I'm not afraid. You know what I mean? Yes, Peter. Exactly. That's exactly what I was saying. I just read your comment. Ratio-wise, not the best. Probably one of the worst. But overall cost and higher payout plus bigger leftover drawdown. I agree with you. I think the 150K is a better account. You have to go up 5,100. You get a higher percentage of what you had to go up just to qualify for a payout, and you have a $5,000 drawdown. So let's say, yeah, I mean, the drawdown doesn't even matter once you get to the buffer. Obviously, what's up, Alcy Faye? What's going on? Yeah, yeah, it's exactly. That's why I got mine. I got it for shits and giggles, man. I wanted to trade it. I fucked it up though. I wanted to trade it during the stream. Let's see what's going on here. Anything? Are we rolling over? Let me hold on. Bear with me. We're gonna have some fun. I'm so happy that Trade Evade's back. I hope it's still back. No, I'm on my other laptop, babe. All right. So I'm upgrading my for starters. I'm upgrading my 25K that I got over yesterday. Boy, so this will be another funded account. I have to pee so bad. I gotta pee. I'll be right back. Hold that thought. Oh, we're dumping. We're rolling over. We're out of the bottom orb on. We're out of the orb on the. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Getting close here. Oh man. Yeah, the 25Ks are you get less of a payout, but you don't have to go up that much. I've been wanting to have a couple of 25K accounts that are funded because I had them once before, and I wasn't ready I wasn't ready for those smaller size accounts. But now I think I'm ready because they're so easy to they're so easy to get up. March. All right. Oh, here we go. Bottom orb bounce. Let's get it. We're gonna get it, or is it gonna just flash dump here? Keep going. See that? Bottom orb. Halt. Oh, come on. You got to be kidding me. I always miss my fills by like fucking. Get another crack at this. I know what's going to happen. I'm going to get stopped out. I'm going to get stopped out for a little baby gain, and then it's going to pump. But I just would rather protect the bag. Come on, take me out of one. Come on. You're right there. You're right there. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. There we go. There's one. Let me change this. So it's not 22. Not 22. Whatever. I'm out. 70 and 145. 215 bucks. This account's up 1,300 bucks on day one. Another day one for fucking take profit trader. Should have got out of both of them there, but whatever. I was hoping it would come up to the 34 EMA on the one, but I'll take that. Probably going to get another crack at a bounce there. What's up, Abel? Yeah, I learned that. I learned that you could drag you from your entry. You could drag up and down and like create stops and take profits. I think that's really cool. How's my 250K going, Marco? I smoked it. I'm an idiot. I was up four. I was up. Oh, let me refresh this. So this is 321. This should be PA number 67 now. Well, let's see if it updates. Nope, it didn't update yet. But I did pay it. Here is 320. I was up. I was up. I was up. Yeah, I mean, I was up. Do the math. 6,500, 248 plus 6,500, 248 plus 6,500. I was up 4,500 bucks basically. I fucked it up because I went too large. I went too large and it started going against me. So I'll take another crack at it for 16 bucks. I'll take one more crack at it because I don't think it's the best account, but for $16.85 lifetime fee, maybe it'll just be an account that maybe you treat that like an account that you don't try to push every 2 weeks in the beginning. You just try to grow it, slowly and steadily, like it's a 50K. For the stream, Bruce Lean, for the stream. whatever, Marco. It was 16, 17. I don't even know. I thought I paid $18 for it, but I guess I paid 17 for it. Whatever. I say this all the time. My wife probably spent more than $17 on Amazon today. I love talking shit when she's in the room. It's the funniest thing. She didn't deny it though. She did not deny it. Oh, it's 18 on TradeAbate. That's why. See, I knew it. It's 1870 on TradeAbate. That's what I thought I paid. 1670 uh, on Rhythmic. Yeah, that's fucking stupid. It's like ridiculous. But you could get TradeAbate accounts now if you want to. I was just able to upgrade my 25K that I pushed over yesterday. I just don't know when it's going to update in here. There's probably still going to be a delay. Yeah, it's going to be a while. But I'm going to grab some while I can, right? Grab another 25K. Yeah, I mean we're out of the we're at it. Oh, we're right at the bottom orb again. Do I fucking? I'll mark it in my TopStep account. It's probably gonna come. Fuck! I hate when that shit auto locks. Fuck that. Let me add another one here. Limit by 1. Let's see what happens. Uh-oh. Rut-row. Yeah, this right here. This is what you were talking about, Abel, right? Set take profit. That's really cool. And then I can set a stop here. I don't want to lose more than, I think, I don't know. I don't know if it's going to hold again. We might just dump. Yeah, see, we might just dump here. Yep, fucking knew it. Well, good thing it wasn't a funded account. Wow. That's why you always keep evals. Let's fuck around now. Holy fuck. What a flush. Just rocking some gains here just to protect myself. I think I'm going to get, no. I thought I was going to get taken out there. I guess not. Oh, hit it. Oh, look at that. Woo. I wish I held longer. Nice futures trader. Hell yeah. Yeah, Peter. I think that's the best way to approach the 250K once you get it over. Just don't try to force it to get paid at the next withdrawal period. Once you get that first one though, you'll have that drawdown available, and then you can kind of maybe push some more and try to get it every 2 weeks. But in the beginning, if it takes you a month, so what? At least you still have the account. Wow. Look at that. I'm so glad I'm not trading this anymore. I'm done trading this account. You know why? Because fuck them, that's why. What's that from? Tell me what that's from. Hell yeah. Awesome futures trader. we just gonna ride down this trend line? See, this is what I need to get better at. Like I have this in here, this 9 EMA in here specifically for that reason. But I never really. I'll hop in and out sometimes, but I'll never just hold a position all the way and ride this down, which is something I want to like. I want to develop that muscle, you know. So it's just another strategy that I could be good at. Yeah, I see like 28 or 29 people watching right now. Thank you for hanging out. Hope you're having fun. Hope you're making money more importantly. If you haven't said what's up in the chat, say what's up. If you're not a subscriber yet, hit the subscribe button because I stream every day during regular trading hours towards the end of the day. I'd like to get on most of the time around like 2:30, 2 o'clock. I've been trying to get on at like 1:30, but that's just not possible with other stuff I have going on. So like 2 o'clock, 2:30, the latest I'd like to get on. That's my goal. And then if I'm at night, if I'm trading at night, like after my wife and kids are in bed, I'll be streaming. Like last night I was streaming. The other night I was streaming until like fucking 4:30 in the morning, my time, which was 7. I'm on the West Coast, so that was 7:30 on the East Coast. Wow, this shit is just dumping. You got any pivot points coming? You got any new pivot points coming here? I was looking for a daily pivot point just in case. So we rejected off this hourly pivot point hard on the Qs. The NQ, wow, we blew right through 700. I didn't even realize that. 700, this is why. We couldn't, 700 became resistance. Wow, I wasn't even paying attention to that. Look at that fucking dump, 40. Damn. Wow, wow. Payout approved. I have 4 kids, futures trader. Oh, Alcy Faye. Yeah, like I don't know if you heard me. I might have actually told you what time I stream after you asked that question because I don't know with the delay. During regular trading hours, like during the day on the New York trading session, my goal is to get on by like 2 o'clock, 2:30 Eastern time. Today I got on a little late. It was like 2:45. I got on just in time for power hour, and then at night, if I'm streaming at night, it's usually around like 2:30, 3 o'clock in the AM Eastern time, because that's like 11:30, 12 for me, and that's when usually everybody's already in bed. Damn, Bruce. Yeah, you were sure from like right around. Yeah, that makes sense. Makes sense, man. It's right around VWAP. Great job, man. Great job. Like I don't need to trade this account anymore. Should I really try to push it another $150? I don't think so. You know what I'm gonna do, guys? Actually, I'm gonna stay logged in because I got to make my update videos later. I was gonna log out, but I could control myself. I won't touch that anymore. Did I get my funded account back? Let's see. Well, not back, but is my funded account in here? Nope. Oh, it's about to be. It disappeared. 321 is gone. Eventually, it will be in there. What is this? I forgot. What am I doing? Oh, getting more evals for the stream. I don't think even if I get more evals now, I doubt they're going to be ready. You know what I mean? I don't think TradeAbait's going to update. It's super delayed. Even when I got these first two, like the 25K I had and this 250K, it took like an hour and a half for it to even show up in my account. And that was when the sale was just announced. When did that get announced? On Tuesday? Yeah, so my take profit trader account's in great shape on a day one, another day one. How far down are we going here? Let's see what is there an hourly pivot point in the sites? I mean, holy shit, we could fucking come all the way down to 630. We come down to 630, I might go long. I don't know if I want to go short here. I mean, we're down so much in that one candle. We got that freaking algo candle coming soon too. Sorry for the way the zoom is on these. My chart's really set up to see the hourly, the 5, and the 15 very clearly. Here we go. Oh, we're at this. Here's a channel. Did that just get drawn though? Oh, tempted. I don't know. Yeah, look at that. I almost got in. Just look here. You got the little trend line from the channel, the fractals. We're back in this channel. But we could dump. We got another minute. Wow, that's nice. But then again, like, do I really need to trade this account again? I don't need to trade this account anymore. I can't get it funded today anyway because I can't go up more than $1,500. So I should just leave this alone, right? I'm at 1,700 in this TopStep account. And maybe tomorrow I try to push it, or during the overnight I push it to 53,000. I just need to get $1,294. So that's probably what I'm going to do. I'm not going to touch this one either. I'm going to try not to. I don't know. I got to touch something though. I got to do something because I don't think my new Apex evals are going to show up. Yeah, I love VWAP, man. Yeah, no, in the previous all-time high, absolutely. VWAP is the shit, man. Who, TopStep? Oh, if you go over the minimum, like if you go over if you violate the consistency rule, yeah, it makes sense. But I don't have to go over, because I'm at 1706, like I could, I just need $1,300 more, so I wouldn't be violating their 50% rule. So I'll just do that. I'm probably gonna try to push this over during the overnight. I don't know. We'll see what happens. We'll see. Interesting what's going on right now. Whoa, that was it was I'm like, where? I was like, what just happened? But there it is. That's what happened. The Yalgo candle. Holy shit. Look at that. 20 points already almost. I'm getting one more 250K. This is the last 250K I'm going to get because, like, I don't necessarily, I'm not a huge fan of the 250Ks, but I'll get it for the stream. I want to get another crack at it because I was doing fine. And then I went and got stupid, started going in too large, and I fucked myself. So I'm not going to do that again. I was happy trading 5 to 10 at a time, and then then I had 15, and then it was just, you know. What a bounce. 25 points. All right. Hey, in case you're just rolling up to the stream, Trade Evade is working again with Apex. If you need to load up on some evals, now is the time before you can again for a while. It was pretty much, for me, it was down for like more than 24 hours. I just got some more myself. I paid the performance fee on my 25K that I got over yesterday, and I just grabbed another 25K and a 250K because why not? Look at this fucking bounce. Holy shit. Is this low a day? 51.25? Let's see. 51.50. Up 26 points. Let's refresh. Yeah, I still don't have it. I still don't have that PA. I don't need it, you know. In terms of, you know, the next payout, I don't need it. I don't necessarily need it, right? Because you have until the 5th. So the next payout period is June 1st to June 5th. So, and you have to trade 10 days, 10 consecutive days between payout periods. So really I could, not that I want to wait until then. I'm also thinking about 65. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Really don't want to start later than Tuesday the 21st on a funded account. You also, if you want to try and get paid before, if you want to try to secure a payout for the next payout period, which ends on June 5th, you really don't want to start a funded account any later than Tuesday the 21st, because Memorial Day there's no trading. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you know, I don't know how it works with the day of. I've heard people say they'll let you request a payout on the same day, but I'd rather not risk it and then have to wait another 2 weeks and have to trade for another 2 weeks. So keep that in mind. What a bounce. What a fucking bounce. 30 points. New algo candle. We're going to dump here. Where are we at? Right about, pretty much right at lower VWAP band, almost at the bottom orb. We're back in the orb on the Qs. Interesting. Oh, maybe we're going to reject off of 700. Oh, so tempting. So tempting. Holy shit, what a bounce. I'll play short here. Right here. Limit 1. Fuck it. Let's see what happens. Limit 1. Up. 1255. Huh. 15 points already. What did it reject off? It rejected off. It literally, look at that. Right off the bottom orb. Damn, bro. That shit is money. Money, money. Oh, I want to play. I don't think it's going to go all the way down. What the fuck is that? Get the fuck out of my way. What is this shit? Where we at? We got some support, like, right? Well, we did have some support. Wow, this shit is dumb. We're coming back down to that fractal. I'm cool, man. I'll take some here. All right, let's see what happens. I said I didn't want to trade in here anymore, and I'm proud. I wonder if I'm going to regret doing this. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe, maybe not. I need to trade something. I need action, baby. What's up, Jamila? Four p.m. sucks. Well, I mean, you have until 5 p.m. Well, not with TopStep. Let me. Oh fuck. Go back up. Go up. I might even add here. Are we just going to flush into close, or are we going to pop back up? I mean, it was a higher low. Let's see if the higher low actually matters. $10 points is 10 points. Hell yeah. I love 10 points. I'm raising this. I'm locking in gains. I don't care even if it's fucking $20. Works for me. What did I get there? Let me refresh this. I don't like how, that's the one thing, I do like the topstepx platform. I just don't like how, you know how with Tradeovate, like you hover over where you get taken out of a position and it tells you what you got right there. I don't think you could do that at all. I don't think there's a setting or something that you could turn on that it shows that. So I got to go down here. I got 55 bucks. I got 55 bucks from that move. Cool. I'll take it. Now I only need to get $1,242 to pass this TopStep account. I'm not touching this. This one is doing great for a day one. I decided not to get to 150 just yet. I'll get a, you know when I'll get a 150 for Take Profit Trader? When I pull out some gains, baby. Because I do like the $3,300 daily loss limit on that shit. Let's see if Apex updated. What's the last minute going to be like? Yeah. So I had 321 was my 25K eval that I pushed over yesterday. I just paid finally was able to pay the performance account activation fee. I did that, like 10 minutes ago, 10, 15 minutes ago. And it's slowly making its way to becoming the next PA account that I have. It should be PA 67, but it's not even in here. And then I also bought a 25K. Oh my God. Woo! I bought a 25K, new low, new LOD. I bought a 25K and another 250K, and they are nowhere to be found. Last minute of the day, are we going to get a pump here or a dump? We flushing or we pumping? Let's see. Probably a stupid thing right here. Yeah, never mind. Never mind. Imagine I got filled right here and then it just decides to dump 13 points. We got to be approaching something. Holy shit. What a dump. Is there any pivot points? All right, it's 4 p.m. Do you know where your children are? All right, let's see if there's a daily pivot point anywhere near this shit. No. Hourly. Nothing. 5 minute. The next pivot point on the 5 minute is all the way down here at 600. We go. Imagine that we do that after the market basically just closed. Crazy. What a dump. What a dump. Yo, way to get that payout approved, dude. That's awesome. Here's a pivot point from like yesterday on the 15. I wonder if we come down that far, if it bounces off of it, because it is a key level. Thank you, Jacob. Thank you. I really want to get to 1,000 subscribers. If I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to start giving away evals and shit. That's what I want to do. Hopefully, when that happens, they're doing 90% off. so they're not super. So they're as cheap as they could be. But whatever. I definitely want to do some sort of giveaway when I get to 1,000 subs. Yeah, hell yeah, futures trader. I just requested my payout, so it's going to be. When did you request it? I remember. I feel like you told me yesterday or the day before that you Well, you could. Yeah, I feel like you told me yesterday on a stream that you requested your payout. So it only took a day. Yeah, I got a 250K, but I smoked it after being up 4 grand, 4,500. I smoked it because I started going in large like an idiot. So I bought. I just bought another one, but I don't think I'm gonna. I don't even. It's not even in my account. I bought another 25K and another 250K. Did it actually? Yeah, they're not in there yet. They're not going to be in there till later. So I'll mess around with them in the overnight. I am determined. Even though it's for shits and giggles, I do. Me and Peter Shapp were talking about it. Well, I was talking about it with all of you guys, but me and Peter were like talking about the disadvantages and the benefits of it. And once you get over that hump of passing it and having to go up 15,000, it's not a bad account to have. You just don't try to push it in the first 2 weeks that you have it funded. It's good to have. You build it slowly, because once you get your first payout, then you have a nice drawdown remaining after. You'll have at least $3,600 of a fucking trailing max drawdown, which is great after getting a payout. Like with this account, so I just requested my second ever payout with this account, right? I'm at $645. So once they take the 2,000 out, you can't go lower than 50,100. So my drawdown is going to be $545, and then I'm going to have to trade micros. Really, I mean, that's actually not a. There's enough room for me to trade minis, but because I hate trading micros. I tried trading micros today. I fucking suck at trading micros right now. You requested 3 a.m. on the 15th. Okay. Yeah, I should have done it last. I meant to do it last night. Wow, that's pretty quick, dude. Oh no, that was yesterday. That was more than 24 hours ago. But that's pretty quick. See, here's mine. I just did it today. I wish I did it last night, but I wanted to make a video and I was like streaming and shit. I like making videos of this type of stuff for the channel, Just, not to rub it in. I'm not rubbing it. I mean, maybe I'm rubbing it into people that were, kind of ragging on me in the comments early on when I was just really bad at this. But really, it's for people that haven't gotten a payout and they're kind of going through the same shit I went through, where like there were some times where I felt really hopeless, but I didn't give up. Like I knew enough to just keep pushing forward. But like that's why I make it, just to document it. Obviously, I don't know if I'm going to document all of them, but it's a cool tradition to be able to make a video, be like, hey, I'm requesting another payout because it's fucking awesome. What size account do I like to trade, Jacob? Well, the only accounts I've ever received a payout from are 50Ks. So I guess I could say I like 50Ks the most because those are the ones I got payouts on. I do like the 150K. The 150K is a good size. I think that's one of the better, bigger size accounts. But I also like the 25K. And here's why I like the 25K. Yeah, thanks, Gabor. Yeah, that's I have no problem sharing the bad along with the good, because there's been a lot more bad than good so far in my prop firm journey. I'm looking to balance that out a little bit more and balance it out, and then eventually cross over to more good than bad. But we all pay our tuition. We all have our educational whatever path we're on, the learning curve. It's all different. Everybody's different. Oh, how many contracts do I like to trade in a single trade? On an eval or a funded account, it all depends. Which side? What side? When after you pass the test and you're funded, working towards a payout. Yeah, I mean, if you yeah, thanks, Gabor, man. If you're doing that's the only way to do it. You can't just fucking only talk about the good stuff that happens and pretend like nothing bad happens. There's no way. All right, so on in Apex, because they have the 1 day to pass, I do trade aggressively. So if I'm trading a 50K and I'm trying to push it over to get to pass, I'm usually trading 3 to 5 at a time. And then sometimes, like if I'm really if I have high conviction in a move and it's kind of like going against me, I'll size up to like 6, 7, 8. I've even done 10. You just don't want to trade. You just don't want to hop in a position like on a 50K. The most you could trade is 10 minis. So technically, you could pass you could pass an eval in one trade with 10 minis. You just have to go up 15.25 points. That covers the fees that you're going to pay. That you get charged on the imaginary simulated trading account. But you're better off not doing that, because if it doesn't hit your target and then it starts coming back, all it has to do is come down 12 and a half points, and then your trailing max drawdown gets blown out, and then you're done. So you're better off. I don't know what you're. Yeah, 100 Bruce, 100%, dude. That's what I'm saying. Like, I've done it before, but I don't like to start there. I'll work up to it if I'm convicted in a trade, but most of the time I like to do 3 to 5 on a 50K to pass on an eval. That's on an eval. When I'm funded, 1, 2 tops, maybe 3, depending on how the trade's going, because can't be fucking around with a funded account, and I fucked around way too much. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, on evals you can't expect. On an eval, it depends on the prop firm. I wouldn't go heavy on, let's say, Take Profit Trader, because they have an $1,100 daily loss limit. So you go heavy on a Take Profit Trader account, and you're wrong. Well, the biggest you could go on a Take Profit Trader account is 6. So 6, that's $30 a tick. It's $120 a point. 1,100 divided by 120. If you're wrong and you go in with 6, you go all in with 6 on a Take Profit Trader 50K, and you're wrong, all it takes is 9 points and your fucking account is done. Because when you hit the daily loss limit on Take Profit Trader, your account is nuked. It's gone forever. So it depends on the prop firm. Same thing with TopStep. They don't let you go up more than they don't let you go into more than 5. So 5. Well, you know the math. Yo, iStream Sniper, what's up, man? Wow, dude, I really appreciate that, man. I really appreciate it. I'm an open book. If anything, if I'd say up to this point, the value I've been providing to whoever finds me and watches these videos and hangs out on the stream is what not to do when you're trading, how not to trade. Watch some of my old videos. I've done some fucking stupid shit, but I've learned from it. I've obviously learned from it because I'm finally getting paid. I'm finally fucking getting payouts. Finally, I started this shit in like mid-October, and it wasn't until this month. Yeah, for 50. Yeah, exactly. Like, yeah, 10 is way too much, dude. Way too much. I've done it before. I've also had 10 and then I've also done 10, gotten within like 200 of it passing. Then it doesn't hit my target, and then it fucking pulls back, because it's 15 points, and then pulls back 12 points, and I fucking nuke the account. Can't trade in TopStep anymore. Oh, nice, Gabor. Good shit, man. Hell yeah, iStream Sniper. Good shit. Way to pass. Now, okay, I'm guessing you probably traded. I'm guessing you probably traded a little more aggressively to pass that thing. Now it's time to. Now you got to pull, pump on the brakes a little bit and be more conservative with your trades. Look for your setups, obviously, but just don't trade too heavy. Don't go heavy in the funded account. Take your time. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what you can do. If you put the accounts together, you have 3 of them, you put them together, you could trade 15 because it'll be 5 each. Take profit trade? Yeah, I'm in Trade Evade. Look, Frankie, this is Trade Evade. This is Take Profit Trader Trade Evade instance. Here it is, Trade Evade. And if you want to, hey, shameless plug here, of course, why not? That's the fee. You gotta put up with me dropping my link and my coupon codes. That's my link for Take Profit Trader. Here's my coupon code: ZERODAYJAY. ZERODAYJAY. How much have I been paid total? This is where I'm at. So far, I've received $2,000. What's up? What's up, Aventus? How you been? I haven't seen you in a while. But yeah, I got my first payout like a week ago. It hit my bank account. I think on the 13th, it was in my bank account. From request to bank account, it was 11 days, and then I just requested another 2,000 here. I just requested that today. So I guess you could say I have to. Obviously, it has to be approved. I'm sure it will. I didn't violate any of their rules, even their new rules. So it'll be $4,000, and that's $4,000 this month, which is fucking great. Frankie, on the take, I don't think you could do on Take Profit Trader. I think the biggest account you could get is 150K, but it's a good account. On Apex, it's on Apex you could get it. Here's my link for Apex. Apex, and then my coupon code for my coupon code, Apex code, Apex code. Yeah, on Take Profit Trader, the largest account size you could have is 150K, which is down here. 150K. 25, 50, 75, 100, 150. And they're doing 40% off any size test account. It's 40% off with Take Profit Trader. It's 40% off any size test account, and then $0 upgrade free. So upgrade fee. So like if and when you pass your Take Profit Trader test, you won't have to pay to upgrade. It's usually $130. Can you copy trade evals? Yeah, 100K, 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 or the 150. Those two are the best. I like 50s, but I'm getting. I want to get I want to get 150K because of the drawdown. But yeah, here's the like the 150K. Your daily loss limit is 3,300. On 100K, it's 2,200. 25. Don't ever get it if you're ever going to trade with Take Profit Trader. Do not ever get a 25K. They're the absolute fucking worst. First of all, the daily loss limit is only $500. But with that said, the daily loss limit is only 30. It's only 33% of your full drawdown. Versus on a 150K, it's the daily loss limit is 73% of your total drawdown. You have a lot more. You have a lot more freedom to roam in your trades on a 150K versus the 25K is the absolute worst fucking account to get on Take Profit Trader. And then on 100K, it's what is it? 2,200 and 3,000. It's not a bad ratio. 2,200 divided by 3,000, it's like 60 something. Oh, it's 73% also. That's not bad. See, 73% is good, but you know what? 2,200. I've gone down 2,200 and got it all the way back, but I'd rather not risk it. I don't know. The 100 and the 150K might be the best accounts in Take Profit Trader. I trade with 50s, and it's not that much. It's not great, but it's still better than 25K. You have a 55%, ratio of daily loss limit to total drawdown. The 25Ks are absolute shit. Don't ever fucking waste your money on the 25K Take Profit Trader account. Trust me. That $500 comes, even if you're trading micros, that $500 can come at you quick, man. Trust me on that. Yeah, we're going sideways here. Doesn't someone have earnings? What's my profitable time frame? What do you mean? Like, when do I like to trade, or like, what do I look? What time interval do I look at when I make trades? What's up, buddy? Come here. Get up here. Come on. Up. You gonna jump up here, or you're too lazy? Too lazy? All right. Did these accounts? I'm not gonna trade if these accounts showed up, but let's see if they fucking showed up. Nope, they still haven't showed up. I should have 3 new accounts in here. I should have PA67, which is my 25K funded account. I just paid to upgrade, and then I should have a 25K, which is 321, and the 250K, which is 322. But Trade of 8 is back. So if you wanted to, if you've been waiting to grab some evals from Apex, now I would definitely grab some now while you can, because I mean, hopefully they solve the whole their API connection server, you know, bandwidth issues or whatever the fuck was happening. But you never know. Why do I hear a cricket? It sounds like, is there a cricket in my fucking house somewhere? Man, these crickets really know how to find crevices. Don't worry, I got the answer for that cricket. I got a problem solver. You want to see my problem solver for crickets? Check in a minute. This is my problem solver for crickets. Nice little salt gun. These things are great. Who wants it? You guys want to go outside? Why don't you guys go outside? I have dogs. I mean, there's going to be a move at some point during this. Let me just make sure none of this got fucking, yeah, no open orders. Let me get out of that altogether. There's going to be there's going to be a move probably between now and 5 o'clock, but why bother trading it? No, I hear that fucking cricket. Where is it? I'll deal with that shit later. I heard it last night. It sounded like it was outside. It sounded like it was outside, but at the same time, it sounded like it was inside. Sometimes they get in the walls. Fucking things, man. They're so annoying. Yeah, that's what happened to me, Jamila. Oh, uh, yeah, yeah. Salt gun. The salt guns are great. They're awesome. You hit a cricket the right way with a salt. I don't like to kill bugs or anything, but when you're encroaching in my space, you're gonna get it. And I don't want to. I don't like catching them either. I'd rather just blast them. That salt will fucking split them apart. It's actually kind of nasty sometimes. What time? Like what times when I'm trading? I mean, I do okay during the overnight. I don't trade the open, Frankie. I don't trade the open, bro. It moves around way too much for me. Like obviously, we just had that crazy move up and down, but you know, when I'm trading, like during regular trading hours, it's usually, because I'm on the West Coast and I'm not waking up for the open just to fucking nuke a bunch of accounts. So I usually start trading like during regular trading hours, probably around like in terms of East Coast time, 11, 12 o'clock East Coast time, and then I'll just trade for the rest of the day. But I'm not like in there like trading every 5 seconds. Like my goal, I mean, not with evals, but with like funded accounts, is my goal is to make one or two trades and be done. You know, one or two good trades and be out. Less is more when it comes to trading funded accounts. When you're trying to push evals over, you just, obviously you just kind of push a little harder. All right, Gabor, good seeing you, man. I don't know if I missed you, but thanks, bro. Thanks for hanging out. Nice, Conscious. On a 50K? Good shit, bro. You can copy trade evals. If you were asking about Apex, yeah, you could group them. You could copy trade them with like NinjaTrader or Quant Tower. You could also group them together here. Well, let me show you here. So like you could create a group. You give it a name like PA 65, PA 65, 66, right? So you know which ones they are, and then you just pull them over. You basically pull them over, and then now you could copy trade. Write and trade of it. You don't have to use NinjaTrader or anything like that. Unless you want to, you can. A lot of people use NinjaTrader. Aventus, I'm currently working with. I have two more that I'm waiting to get. I had two. I pushed one over yesterday, nuked the other, and I just got another two. Ooh, a nice little dumpy here. I got another two, but they're not. They're not going to show up. I got another two and a funded account. They're not. It's been a half hour at this point since I upgraded my 25K I got over yesterday. So I should have PA. I'm waiting on PA number 67, right? Funded account number 67, and I'm waiting on a 25K eval and a 250K eval. So it's going to be a while. I might not see that till tonight. All right, be good, man. What's up, Chris? I did okay. I nuked another funded account, but this one I already fucked up. But I could have built this up. I had like $158,000, $152 in drawdown available, and I was trading micros. That's where I fucked up. I shouldn't have traded micros. I fucking hate micros. I really do. That's just me. Some people swear by it, but I still haven't cracked the code to trading micros. I think I'm still working on my depth perception. Excuse me, depth, depth, depth perception with micros versus minis. Nice, Aventus. Neo. That's good, man. If you've been trading forex for that long, futures should be a piece of cake for you because I know forex could be crazy. I don't know if I'm ever going to mess with forex. Yeah, futures. I like futures too. I love it. It's definitely a learning curve to it if you've never traded them. But if you're trading forex, I mean, it should be easy for you. Top frag, what's going on, man? No, you don't pay the eval fee. Once you pass your eval and you pay the PA fee, the eval subscription gets canceled automatically. In the background, or Apex automatically cancels that subscription. Yeah, Ventus. Yeah, so top frag. I don't know if you saw my answer because you just asked, but I know there's a delay. Yeah, crickets are fucking annoying. The other night there was a cricket in my garage, and I heard nobody else really could hear it on the stream, but it was just blaring in the garage while I was on the stream, and I couldn't find it. I found it yesterday though. I found it yesterday. Let's just say that. I didn't kill it, but I don't think I haven't heard it since, so I definitely heard it. It's somewhere in my garage hiding. If you fail the eval, yeah. Like, watch this. You want to see something funny? You definitely want to go and I actually got to look at this. So here's like the dashboard page. Here's the dashboard page. It shows you all your active subscriptions. Watch me scroll through all my shit. Look at all that. It's not even that much. I've canceled so many. I canceled a ton, but like you got to go in because it tells you next rebuild May 19th. So like I got to cancel these. How many do I have that are going to rebuild on May 19th? 1, 2, 3. I have 3 for May 19th. Oh, and I have a little bit of break. May 25th, May 21, 2, 3, May 30th. I slowed down my eval buying because once I got a couple of funded accounts, I just started focusing on them. But it was nuts. I had like, look at all these 18s I just had to do because it's the 16th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, how many 17s? 5 18s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's all I could see. There was more, but just on the 17th and then the 18th, I had 11 subscriptions I had to cancel. That's some degenerate shit right there. Where do you find the terms and agreements to start trading? What's up, Boom? Will you get charged if you don't? Yeah, this fucking soul gun. I fucking blasted that motherfucker. It's still alive though. Maybe it's still alive. I can't confirm the kill. You know what I mean? It kind of went and slid onto something. Money Games, what's up? Where do you find the terms and agreements to start trading? You will, so like right now, like I'll show you. So let's say I'm going to get another eval right now. Oh shit. See? Gotta jump on those, you gotta jump on those trade evades. Members. All right, let me pretend to grab a rhythmic account. See, everybody found out, the word got out. Everybody was watching my stream, the word got out. It's because of my stream that the fucking trade evade shit crashed again. All right, so let's say we get a rhythmic. For starters, the terms are right here on the billing terms are here, the data disclaimer, the privacy policy, 30-day renewal, terms and conditions and disclosures. That's all in there. Risk, and then when you here's the rules right here. No multiple logins. No, this tells you right here on the order page. You click here right before you put my coupon code in, which is this PWPCGSEH. I can't help myself. But right here, it'll say click here, and this will give you all the rules and shit. Oh, you got to be logged into. I'm not logged into support. I don't know why they do that. What are the rules for evaluations? I'll send this link anyway. Oh, this fucking, what the fuck? Oh, and I think you're talking about the, thanks, Money Games. Really appreciate it, man. It's my phone ringing. What's up, Vaughn? What's going on, Vaughn? You were up 8K yesterday and didn't know you need to make 20. You don't need to make 20K in one day. What are you talking about? To pass? You don't have to pass in one day, my man. Are you talking about like a, or it was because the rebuild was happening? What's up, D Cooley? I'll get back to that in a second. I'm curious where I could even do that. Top Frag. So if you still have the all right, you still here, Top Frag? What if I fail the eval? Do I have to go and can't? If you, well, that's, yeah. What if, will I get charged? If you don't, you will get charged in 30 days. That thing is set for 30 days. Right now at the 90%, at the 90%, the rebuild will come in at 80%. So if you paid like $18.70 for a 50K at 90% off, the rebuilds will occur at 80%. So it'll be $37 instead of $18.70. It'll be $37.60, right? $37.40. I don't know how. $37.40. Sorry. The rebuilds won't come in at full price, but yeah, you gotta, if you nuke the account, if you nuke an eval, guys, and you don't want to keep it, obviously it's cheaper to just get a new one, right, than to reset. So just cancel the subscription. Just remember to cancel them. Like I was just going through all of mine. Like I got to cancel some more. So it's easy to cancel. It's just a pain in the ass at the same time. It's easy to do. They make it easy for you. So like here, I'm going to cancel this one. Which one is this? 300. I'm canceling it. Cancel account. No need anymore. Whatever. I just say no need anymore. You could say price is too high. And now that subscription's canceled. Super easy. Super easy. And then it tells you all your subscriptions here, but whatever, you can't cancel them there. Okay, I'll do one more just to show you again. But yeah, if you fail an eval, and obviously it doesn't make any sense to pay the reset fee, you just go get another eval because it's so cheap right now. Um, they should make the reset fee like $25 once they go back to 80%, because it's always at 80%. Any if it 80% or better on the sale when they're running sales, it's always cheaper to get a new eval versus paying the reset fee. When they go back to 71%, which I doubt they ever will, I don't think they'll ever go back to 71%. But if they do, then it's cheaper to pay the reset fee, which is $50. But why? Why would you even do that? Just wait for them to do an 80% sale at the very least. Right now it's at 90%. It doesn't make any sense to reset ever. Just get new ones. But yeah, just remember, here's all my active subscriptions. You got to go in and go through and cancel them. Here's another one. What is this? Oh, the 19th. I'm going to hit cancel. Are you sure this is the account number you want to cancel? They make sure, they double check to make sure that's the one you want to cancel, because you don't want to accidentally cancel a PA account, right? You want to cancel a funded account that's good, that's in good standing. So yeah, I'm going to cancel that shit. They ask why. It's not canceled yet until you give them the cancellation reason. I don't need it anymore. And then it's gone. Now it's done. And then you'll get an email. You'll get the cancellation. Like, watch, I'll show you in my email. Apex Trader Funding, subscription canceled. So it's really that easy. All right. So you good, Top Frag? Oh, money games. Money games. The non-professional stuff you'll see when you log into your TradeAvate for the first time. So like if this is a new account for you, you've never had an Apex account, when you log into TradeAvate, all that non-professional, all that jargon will be in TradeAvate. Sorry if I didn't answer that before. So and Rhythmic too. I don't really know how Rhythmic works, but I'm pretty sure it would do the same thing. But like when you log into your TradeAvate account for your TradeAvate instance where you're going to trade for the first time, all that non-professional stuff will be. You won't be able to start trading until you go through that stuff. All right, dude? If you pass the eval, Top Frag, if you pass the eval, Vaughn, it said you could, when they do the 1 day to pass, when they say that, it means you can pass in as little as 1 day. That's what that means. Not you have to pass in 1 day. That's where, when I first started, they weren't doing these crazy specials. It was 7 days to pass. I thought I had to pass that shit in 7 days. So I was like putting pressure on myself, and I was getting on day 5, day 6. I'm like, shit, I got to get another $1,000. You know? No, it's in as little, bro. So you don't have to pass in 1 day. You could take 3 weeks to pass if you want. You know? Passing the 1 day, I'm going to type it in here. 1 day to pass means you can pass in as little as 1 day, but you can take as much time as you want. Go at your own pace, especially if you're newer. Go at your own pace for sure. How do you do trades on TradeAvate? Well, I'm here already, but you see this chart right here? This is my setup or whatever. You add another right here. You hit new tab, and then you put the symbol in. The symbol for micros is MNQ. Yeah, Bruce Lean already answered your question. Thanks, Bruce. MNQ right here, micro E-mini NASDAQ 100. So yeah, if you want to trade micros, that's how you add it. You keep them next to each other. The regular NQ is NQ. The mini NQs is NQ. The micros is MNQ. I don't know. I have no idea why they closed your account. Did you fail it? Did you hit the trailing max drawdown? What size account was it? Was it a 50K? Did you go down 2,500? They wouldn't just close it. They don't just close accounts just to close them. All right, cool. D Cooley, you still here, bro? Where you at? You still here? Customizing your account and put distribution to daily loss column. Where do you see that? Is it somewhere in the settings? Is it a module? Let's see. Oh, you could put the trade performance right. Is that what you're talking about? You could put that right in the thing? What is this? Drag and drop? I don't know what the fuck that is. If I pass the eval and got the PA, is there any way I can accidentally cancel the eval and compromise the PA? Top frag. Once you pay the PA fee, the subscription for the eval on that account. So let's say you passed. So I pay. Okay, for example, I passed eval number 321. Here's eval number 321. I passed this account. I passed this eval yesterday. I just paid the subscription. I paid the PA fee to flip this to a funded account. Now it's a performance account. So if I go into my Gmail, I'm going to go into my email right now. I should have a subscription cancellation notice for that account. And look, see, I should have it. Apex. Your PA is being canceled. Subscription cancel. No, it should be canceled. Let me go in here. I don't know if you get the email for it when you cancel, but it does cancel it. I'll show you. Let me see where 321 is. 321. 321 is not even, I mean, shit, it's not even in here anymore. See, 321 is gone. I don't even have subscription 321 now. Usually, let me look at another example. I just think their fucking system is bogged down. So 319. Let's try and find. It's canceled though. You won't get billed. You won't get billed for once you pay the performance account fee for an eval that you passed. You will not get billed for the eval anymore. Top frag. I hope that answers your question. Yeah, the 250K will be the same rebill on the 250K, Chris. I think you know that you're answering somebody else. What up, making money? Oh, that's fucking cool, man. D Cooley, thanks for bringing that to my attention. I didn't know you could add that right to the. Yeah, I'll put it right next to this. I don't want. This is like a waste of space. Oh, like that. I want to put them next to each other. Can I put them? There we go. Oh, that is dope. That's sick. Orders, positions, performance center. That's fucking cool. Thanks, guy. Oh, D Cooley, thank you. Making money. Thanks for confirming. That shit is fucking cool. I didn't know you could do that. You know what else I didn't know? I just found out that if you have an order in, let me pretend I'm going to put an order in here. Sell 3. Now, let's say I want to sell 3. Let's say I want to move this. I didn't know you could do this. I learned about that like when I first started using TopStep, that you could do it in TopStepx. I didn't know. I just found this out like a week ago that you could do this in TradeAvate. I've been using this platform since mid-October and I had no fucking clue. But now I know, which is awesome. So like if you're getting a little worried that it's not hitting your take profit and you're scared it's not going to, you can literally just slide it up and make it closer so that it hits it. Or if you want to get filled sooner, you know what I mean? That's a really cool feature. And I got that from people on the stream, baby. Yeah, the trailing max, I still don't know how to do that in TradeAvate, actually. Unless you have to modify the order. So let me put I don't want to do it now because I'm not in. But yeah, I heard you could do the trailing max. That might benefit me. Go to the right settings gear and customize. Here. Oh shit, that's cool. That's really cool. I'll mess with that another time because I don't want to put the wrong thing in there and not know what the fuck I'm doing. Have I connected Tradeovate to TradingView yet? I tried to do it one day, and I didn't like the fact that like it was telling me I could only have it in one tab. It was just weird. One account, one tab. It kind of like I was just like, eh. I might do it again. Well, like I have 3 different Tradeovate accounts. Well, I have 2. I have my Apex Tradeovate and I have my Take Profit Traded Tradeovate, and I can only be connected to one at a time, I think. Yeah, me? You talking about me, dude? Futures? Thanks, bro. On the bottom account tab. COVID Killer, what up? What a name. There's a cone killer. There's a cone killer that hangs out in here too. So now we got the cone killer and we got the COVID killer. And they say about the cone killer and the COVID killer, there's no one Rilla with an I. On the bottom account, are you talking about D Cooley, Delta value when setting a bracket? Yeah, I'm not setting any brackets because Apex frowns upon bracket trades in funded accounts. They don't care on evals, but in funded accounts, they give a shit. I'll be right back. I got to pee again. I broke the seal before. Hold that thought. All right, I'm back. Every time I go to the bathroom, people leave. What are they going to see who else is streaming? Don't leave next time. That Apex rule, I don't even know what that means. It's the whole event. That's that new rule with the stop. I don't think they're going to be complete fucking sticklers to that. I think the biggest thing is they don't want people trading the open, bracket trading on the opening range breakout. And like I put stops in, I don't want a 3-to-1 stop. First of all, I'm not even trading for 5 ticks. I don't know what I'm trading for more than 5 ticks. Yeah, I know what you mean. But some people were trading. They would have when they with the brackets that they're talking about. The brackets that they're talking about is like you have orders above and beyond, above and below a certain area. Well, you know what it means, but it's basically if it goes one way, you're going to get filled and take and be profitable. If it goes the other way, you're going to get filled and be profitable. So like you're kind of just gambling on whichever way it's going to go, and it's like you're guaranteed to win no matter what, as long as you know how to manage that type of play. That's what they don't want. I don't know. I don't know. I use stops on basically every trade I make. Um, they literally went after Alpine. These fucking guys, like, look, I love Apex obviously because they're the only ones I've gotten money from so far. You know what I mean? Like, I've nothing. I'm cool with Apex. The only thing I'm annoyed with them with is I still haven't gotten my fucking custom coupon code yet, and it's pissing me off. I want it to be ZERODAYJAY, like my Take Profit Trader account. Fucking motherfuckers. But anyway, they definitely went after Alpine with that shit because he was just talking. He was saying he said that he was making. He didn't go into specifics about it, but like people were reverse engineering his trades, and then I guess a lot of because he has a lot of people like we have 30 people on the stream right now or whatever, and I think the most I've ever had on the stream is 38. He probably has 380 people on the stream or fucking more, like 500 to 1,000 people on his stream. So enough people, and we're a lot of people, there's a lot of smart people that are doing this. They probably reverse engineered whatever he was doing, and they started doing it too. And this is after Apex was bragging about having the high, they set a new record for payouts, and they ran a sale because of it. Record payouts. We just set a new record for payouts. 80% off for the month. Woohoo! And now they're doing this shit so they don't have to pay out as much money. Yeah, I don't think Patrick uses stops. That dude is fucking. He's funny too, man. I like watching him stream. He's fucking great. He's a good trader too. He's smart. Like he has his setups. He doesn't just trade just to trade. Like he has certain setups he looks for. He gets in them, but he doesn't have a stop. I don't see him put stops in. So yeah, if you trade the open, as long as you don't do it the way they tell you they don't want you doing it, you could trade the open. I don't know. Patrick was pretty transparent. Like he made a video not too long ago about not receiving a payout. Like he was trading he was trading in Apex for months and still hasn't received a payout. Like he was open about it, so I respect that. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know enough about like I think I only know what I've known since I found him a couple of months ago. You know what I mean? I like Nutty Bar too, and Nutty Bar is funny because like his voice will crack while he's talking. He'll be like, yeah, Nutty Bar is funny. He streams like the whole fucking session. That's crazy. I don't know if they deny. Is that what they did? No, they didn't deny him for months. He kept nuking accounts. Like you've seen, like he's calmed down with how much profit he takes in a trade, but he was taking like monster profits, so he was consistently violating the consistency rule. Like like you guys remember the Chappelle Show and they had the Charlie Murphy True Hollywood Stories. Patrick Weiland was a habitual line stepper when it came to the consistency rule. So I think he was running into issues and getting paid because he kept violating the consistency rule because he was having these monster fucking gains on these trades. And I don't know if he was able to keep having the same amount, like once you, I mean, he's pretty good. Like, I just think he was nuking accounts. I don't really know. I forgot what he said, but he finally did get paid. I'm pretty sure he started getting payouts, but it took a while because he was nuking accounts because he was fucking super aggressive. Yeah, yeah. If you're honest about getting like that's enough for me. Like, you want to brag about like he's a professional fisher and all that shit, and he's spending all the throwing money, talking about how he throws all this money around about with his boat, and he just bought a Lambo and all that shit. That's cool, man. That's not really my thing. I'm not going to be fucking like that's not my thing. But I'm cool with that shit, man. He's proud of his success, and he's sharing it with other people. I guess to give people some motivation and inspiration, and be like, wow, you know that guy puts on his pants. I put on my pants the same way that Patrick Weiland does. We all put our pants on the same way. So none of that stuff really turns me off. But when you're fucking lying, like the fact that he was honest about his payout situation, that at the time when he made that video, like he's like, I'll be honest, I haven't been paid yet. I haven't gotten a payout yet. That's good for, he's good in my book in terms of that, you know? Awesome. Well, yeah, everybody's worried about whether their payout request is going to be approved now because they just dropped those new rules. For starters, congratulations, Sahil Sani, on your first 2K on your first payout. That's huge, man. Hopefully, it didn't take you 64 nuked funded accounts before you got yours. Hopefully, you did it a lot sooner. But good job, great job. The first of many, right? The first of many, baby. Yeah, sometimes, yeah. I mean, you know, you never know. You never know who's real and who's not. Maybe at some point, like when I get to 1,000 subscribers, maybe some people will start saying that I'm full of shit. But I have nothing to hide. I fucking nuked a fuck ton of evals and funded accounts. I mean, and I'll tell you, yeah, I don't have any courses to sell. He does have that only prop firm site, which is pretty cool. It's just like a directory with a bunch of coupon codes on it and shit. Bob, I did go to Valley Stream Central, dude. I sure did. What year did you graduate? Yeah, see, he got approved. He doesn't use stops all the time, and he got approved. So I think literally, I think they just went after a couple of. They went after a couple like, Alpine and anyone who follows, that strategy. And basically said, knock that shit off. You know, go back to your scalping or whatever you were doing. I guess I don't know. I don't really know. I don't know if they have private conversations. Like he's one of their top. He's one of their top traders. You know what I mean? So I don't know. Also, probably one of their top affiliates. So I don't know if they have. I don't know if they communicate behind the scenes. You know what I mean? I have no idea. Do I look familiar, Bob? But I did go to Central. Yeah, I did check. I did check. I do like Trade Day. It's on my radar of prop firms to try, just not yet. I'm trading with 3 prop firms right now. I'm in with Apex, Take Profit Trader, and TopStep. I will say Trade Day is literally a clone of Take Profit Trader minus the daily loss limit. Everything else about them is the same. Their pricing, the rules, everything is the same. Even their promotions, when they run promos, it's like the same type of fucking coupon code. So it makes me wonder if it's the same people who own Take Profit Trader that own Trade Day. I'm not sure, but Trade Day's on my radar of prop firms to try for sure. Trade Day, my funded futures is on my radar. Yeah, that might be why he's got like. I think he lives down in Florida or some shit. I think he's an East Coaster. I don't know. I think he's from Florida. I think he lives down in Florida. Yeah. End of day, yeah, which is different for sure. Yeah, I'm loud as fuck too, bro, and I cuss like a sailor. That's why I think that's what's funny. There's a lot of New Yorkers and East Coasters that hang out on my streams. It's almost like YouTube knows to like put me in your algorithm or something. It's interesting. A lot of people from Long Island too, where I'm from. I got some dude Bob asking me if I went. He asked me if I went to the high school that I went to. What are the chances that he finds me? And he's like, "Holy shit, this guy looks familiar. I think he went to my fucking high school. We went to the same high school as me, which is fucking crazy." And he hasn't answered. He hasn't came back and answered me since. So what happened with my? Did this thing just turn off? That was weird. Yeah, my camera just flashed off and on. That was weird. Let me plug it in. Anyway, yeah. Let's see if the market even moving. Let's see. Not really. Let me zoom in on this. Let me go to micros. I mean minis. I mean it popped a little here, 44. I mean, I wonder what it's going to do. Fucking flies. Mugs. Mugs. What is good, Mugs? Here's the most important update, my man. Here it is, right here. I requested another payout. Boy, right there, bro. Right here. The Comeback Kid account officially requested a payout. So that's my second payout request this month. I got this one, obviously was approved. That was the previous payout period. I'm expecting this one to be approved. I didn't violate any rules or whatever. So I'm expecting this one to be approved within the next day or two. But yeah, super excited. That's my second ever payout as a prop firm trader. Boy, now I'm officially I've been a funded trader. Now it's doubled over. I doubled my money that I've gotten as a funded trader. Super excited. Hey, don't start whining over there. I got a TopStep 50K that I haven't activated yet. I just want some more evals. Yo, activate it, dude. The sooner you activate it, because I think their rule is like you just have to go up. You just have to have 5 200+ days in a row, and then you could request a payout. So why not activate it and start growing it? You know. Oh, all right. Oh, that was yeah. Oh, sorry, that was money games. My bad. Mugs, you hit profit target today. Just need a flip tomorrow, and it'll be a double. Yeah, nice, dude. Congrats, Mugs. Awesome job, bro. Awesome job. Yeah, the 250Ks are good, Joe. It's just what's going on, Joe M. You just got to go up a ton. They're good once you pass it. It's not a bad account to have. Just don't try to push it don't try to push once you get funded. Don't try to. Why did the dogs have to mess around right now? Don't make me blow this horn. Don't do it. It's not a horn. It's a pet corrector. It's just forced air. Well, this thing's dead. But this actually you hit this and it actually gets their attention. They stop messing around. Oh yeah, he's over here now. What's the matter? Come here, buddy. Get up here. Come on, up. Look at this guy. This Mr. Harvey. Mr. Harvey. You see him? He's got two different color eyes, two different faces. So we named I came up with the name. I named him after Harvey Dent, Two Face. So he's Harvey. I wanted to name him Mr. Pickles at first, but my wife and kids weren't feeling it. But after that crazy dog from that show on what the fuck's it? Adult Swim. All right, market's closed. You're 5K from passing 250K accounts. Yeah, I knew they would. I knew they would advance it and extend it. Hard hat. What's going on, man? I knew they would extend it, bro. Yeah, I tried for Mr. Pickles. So then I started calling him Mr. Harvey Pickles. But oh, why does that account say blown? Because I blew that shit right after I fucking got approved. I blew through my. I had a small trailing max drawdown. This was lucky number 57. That was my first ever account. I got over the threshold and made it to the 10 days. But I blew it like the second day after I fucking got it. After I got once I got approved, I started trading again and I fucked it up. I wish I still had it, obviously. Yeah, nice job, Joe. Just take your time. Just take your time. Yeah, Mr. Pickles is on Adult Swim. Is that dog that would kill people? It would go psycho. It was like a fucking a Satan dog or some shit, and he kind of looks like him. So I wanted to name him Mr. Pickles, but I can't. And they were trying to name him like these stupid, not stupid names, but like typical dog names. I'm like, fuck that. So once I put the two and two together with the two different color eyes and the two different faces, I was like, Harvey. That's his name. Good job, Joe. Just take your time. Just take your time building that account up once it's funded. Don't take monster positions. Don't be in a hurry. Now now he messes with my other dog. Now they're gonna be rolling around fighting, but I'm streaming. Don't do it. I'm showing it to you right now. You're lucky it's out of air. You're lucky. Anyway, yeah, bro. Who are you? Bob what? Now everybody knows my name. Everybody knows my name now. Reveal yourself. Hurry up too, because I gotta end the stream and start making my update videos. Yeah, so what I was saying, Joe, is don't and if hey, now that you told everybody my name, now you gotta use my coupon code to buy some evals. Here it is for Apex. Here's my Apex coupon code. Apex coupon code, bro. Here's my link. Here's my link. My link for Apex. If you want to do Take Profit Trader, here's my Take Profit Trader link. Bob. Take Profit Trader, coupon, ZERODAYJAY. Now, that's your fee for telling everybody what my last name was. Although it's in my email address, and I've shown my email address so many times so far. I wasn't really that much of a bully in high school. You know what I was doing in high school? Cutting class and smoking a lot of weed and not giving a fuck. I still don't give a fuck. I was a trees for breakfast kind of guy and lunch. Yeah, take your time on that, bro. Don't be in such a hurry to Joe M. Don't be in such a hurry to get that up to 6,600 for the next payout period. Take your time, because once you get it there and then you take your first payout, which is $3,000, then you'll have a nice cushion, a nice trailing match drawdown cushion. Don't be in such a hurry. Don't force any trade. Don't force it. You know, if it takes you a month to get it up there, let it take a month. With the $85 lifetime activation fee, like there's no reason to push that. Just be in a hurry to get that paid. If anything, get a couple of smaller size accounts like a 25K and a 50K, and those will be easier to grow over a 2-week period. You know, to get the next payout period. You know what I'm saying, dude? Hey, conscious. Yeah, I don't anymore. I don't anymore. My wife doesn't like it, so I don't. Even though I haven't in over a year, but I was like, you know, sneaking around, and I got busted. Got in trouble. Come on, Bob. Who are you? You're just an avatar right now. Let's go. Tell me. I got to end the stream. Maybe you'll tell me on the next. Maybe you'll tell me on the next one. Yeah, that's what I was doing too. Yeah, it's legal in New York. Yeah, dude, there's dispensaries everywhere out here. You could get like fucking. You could get an ounce. You could get an ounce. You could get half ounces of fucking chronic for like $80, $80 to $100. Chronic. I'm with you, conscious, bro. But you got to pick your battles, man. You know, that's the only thing. That's the only thing. That's the only thing that was an issue. Everything else is like whatever. Yeah, as soon as you land, bro, it's like the first thing you got to do. Yeah, take your time, Joe. As much time as it takes. Thanks, Eben. Appreciate it, man. Hey, babe.
Yeah.
Somebody's like, hey, did you go to Valley Stream Central? Somebody on the stream. And they said my name. They said my full name on the stream. So now everybody knows my name. Not that I care. I'm like, who the fuck are you, man? Reveal yourself. And they wouldn't say who they are. They was just a hit and run. So maybe they'll come on the next stream. Maybe they're running and telling all their friends from Valley Stream Central. Yeah, I hear you, man. I got a lot of friends that did that shit. I never fucked with that. Was it in the other thing? Probably. Nice, Ro. Congratulations. What's up, Ezekiel? Oh, cool. Hopefully you use my coupon code. Oh man, I'm such I don't give I'm so shameless with that shit. I don't care. Whatever. It's a joke. I mean, you could use mine, you could use someone else's. We're cool no matter what, Ezekiel. Good job, Ro. Next thing, man. Next thing I know, I'm gonna have a bunch of people from Central, my old high school from I graduated in '97. Next thing I'm gonna have all these people on the fucking stream. That'd be pretty funny. Yeah, yeah. I mean, I get it, bro. I get it. I definitely had some woos in my day, whether I knew it or not. But yeah, I get it, bro. I know plenty of people. Bob Rogers. What? Oh, thanks, man. I appreciate you for dropping it. What grade? What year did you graduate? Hit me up on Facebook, dude. What do you want me to him slide in my DMs? Well, I'm on Facebook. What device do I use to trade? I use a MacBook Pro. Probably not the most ideal, but that's what I use for work stuff anyway. So I just use one of my MacBook Pros to trade. What the fuck? Yeah, dude. I don't. This isn't Bob Rogers. Who is this? He just asked, "Is that Melissa? Didn't know you married her. Tell her I said hey."
Who is that?
I don't know. He said his name is Bob Rogers. You know what Bob Rogers? I know Aaron Rodgers. I don't know if that's your real name, bro. Hit me up privately.
Do we know him from Bertucci's?
I don't know. Did you work at no? I don't know. Did you work at Bertucci's? Yeah, I'm still with Melissa. We had 4 kids together. Anna, what's up, Anna? We're still together. Happily. We've been dating since the end of 2003. Isn't that fucking crazy? But anyway. Yeah, this is hilarious because I don't think your name is Bob Rogers. I just don't know. Very generic. Very generic. I mean, it could be. I don't fucking know, man. And if that is really your name, I apologize. It could be one of my friends fucking with me.
Yeah.
I have a feeling it's one of my friends fucking with me right now. But if that's really your name, I'm sorry that I don't remember you, bro. Probably from all the fucking weed I smoked. What's my social media? It's my name. But you can follow me on Instagram at the ZERODAYJay. No, what am I on Instagram? Am I real ZERODAYJay? What am I? Hold on a second. What's my Instagram? Oh, it's real ZERODAYJay on Instagram. Because ZERODAYJay wasn't available. Anyway, I got 7 years. Yeah. 7 years times 3 conscious. Anyway, I got to run because I got to make my update videos, guys. Hope you all had a great day trading. It was cool hanging out with you. My phone's ringing. You like my Joker ringtone? Anyway, that's custom, by the way. My daughter did that for me. Anyway, I got to run. I got to make my update videos before Trade of 8 updates. It's been a pleasure hanging out with you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet. I stream every day from around 1:30, 2 o'clock through the close during regular trading hours, and at night when I am, if I'm trading up at night when everybody's sleeping, I'm streaming. And I also post update videos every day. So give it a like, thumbs up, all that fun stuff. I'll talk to you soon, guys. Really, it's been a pleasure. Peace.